GoPro is officially calling this a compact cinema camera because they are apparently tired of everyone complaining about low-light noise. It is essentially an action camera that went to graduate school and came back with a massive sensor, heavy-duty processing power, and a price tag that requires a serious conversation with your bank account. Here is the exact breakdown of the latest flagship model, served with a side of reality. GoPro MISSION 1 Pro, the headline specs. The sensor, a massive 1-inch 50-megapixel sensor with 14 stops of dynamic range. This is the big one. It means you can actually shoot at dusk, under a thick forest canopy, or during a night ride without your footage looking like a pixelated, grainy horror movie. The processing brain, powered by the new GP3 processor. Beyond making the menus actually responsive, instead of feeling like a 2012 GPS unit, it unlocks absurd resolutions. Peak video modes. 8K at 60 FPS, for when you want to capture every single pebble flying off a tire in terrifying detail. 4K at 240 FPS, ultra-smooth, buttery slow motion. 8K at 30 FPS, open gate, 4:3. This is the ultimate lazy filmmaker feature. You shoot one massive, tall clip, and you can crop it horizontally for YouTube or vertically for TikTok without losing any sharpness. Hardware upgrades, or they finally fixed the little things. The glove-friendly redesign. They finally made the physical buttons taller and chunkier. If you are wearing thick motorcycle or winter gloves, you no longer have to stab blindly at the camera 5 times just to start recording. It also features a solid, removable aluminum lens hood to kill glare. A screen you can actually see. It features a 2.59-inch OLED rear screen. It's crisp, bright enough to fight direct sunlight, and big enough that you don't have to squint to see if your shot is in frame. Reality-checked battery life. GoPro claims 5+ hours of recording at 1080p, or 3+ hours at 4K 30 on the new Enduro 2 battery. The fine print. Let's be real. If you are blasting 8K at 60 frames per second while flying down a trail, that battery is still going to sweat. Pack a spare. The damage, price and weight. The cost, $699.99 MSRP. Or $599.99 if you sign up for their subscription. The weight. It weighs in at 212 grams. Because of that massive glass lens and bigger sensor, it has some heft to it. It's no longer a plastic toy. It feels like a solid block of aluminum and tech. The verdict. The MISSION 1 Pro isn't really a casual beach vlog camera anymore. It's a rugged, tiny production tool meant to be mounted on race cars, helmets, and heavy-duty rigs, where a standard mirrorless camera would get smashed to pieces. You're trading a bit of compactness for absolute top-tier image quality.